Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Spectrum cable box. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so installing your Spectrum cable box is a pretty straightforward process. So what we first need to do is check to make sure we've got everything inside the box or your kit. So the kit should contain your Spectrum cable box, also known as a digital receiver. Should also have a power cord, HDMI cable, coaxial cable, remote control batteries, and there might also be a coaxial splitter if needed. Alright, so this is a step-by-step installation guide. So for step number one is connect the coaxial cable if you're using it, or connect the HDMI cable. So you can see in this illustration here, we got the coaxial there and a HDMI cable. So plug in your coaxial cable and then your HDMI cable to the box and TV. And then also we need to plug in the power cable from your box and also into the electrical outlet. Then from there, simply turn your TV on. While you turn your TV on, the box will automatically power on as well. And then set the TV to the HDMI input that corresponds to the port you used. And then we want to go ahead and activate your service. So follow the on-screen prompts to activate your cable box. If no prompts appear, go to this site here and then complete the activation process. The cable box may take up to 30 minutes to download necessary updates and initialize, just depending on your internet speed. But during this time, avoid unplugging the device, even wait up to an hour if possible.